Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by targeting the quickest conversion path. Harvest wood while standing near metal nodes. You want at least 200 wood to work with. Once done, move to the upgrade bench or approach metal-rich terrain so you can swap materials. Make sure to carry a pickaxe that breaks wood quickly, then switch to hitting metal nodes to collect metal. This dual harvesting keeps momentum. The reason is you'll need both stock and proximity to tools or benches to trigger the structure conversion. Now perform the actual swap by selecting the structure you want to change. Open your build menu, highlight the piece, and choose the upgrade bench interaction or use the material toggle if available. Once you pick metal as the target, confirm the conversion cost. This deducts resources immediately. You'll see the structure visually update. This happens because the game replaces the asset with the metal variant. Make sure you have the full cost and remain nearby until the animation finishes to avoid it. Finish by verifying the new metal structure. Hit it lightly to confirm increased durability and watch for metal sound cues. If the conversion fails, first check your resource count and ensure you weren't interrupted during the upgrade. Missing cost often causes silent failures. If problems persist, reload the upgrade bench by interacting again or move to another bench or area. Re-entering build mode can clear sync issues. One troubleshooting tip. If you still see wood visually, reopen inventory and reapply the material swap immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.